Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to participate in the official Solana Airdrop. I asked ChatGPT what it thinks about this event and requested a detailed step-by-step guide. And here's what it told us. On December 1st, Solana announced the launch of Phase 1 of its Community Rewards program. Every active participant of the Solana network receives one spin in their Solana Spin Airdrop event. And honestly, the process is extremely simple. All we have to do is open the official event website, use our one available spin, and then claim whatever reward we get on our wallet. And here is the official website. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment, so make sure to check it out. But before that, I want to quickly open my Phantom wallet. As you can see, I only have around $6 here, but this wallet has been active for the last year, so it meets the criteria for the airdrop. If your wallet is new with no activity on Solana, it may show an error saying you're not eligible. Don't worry, just try connecting one of your main active wallets. Any wallet with previous Solana transactions should work fine. Now let's go back to the airdrop page. As I mentioned, all links will be in the pinned comment. Here you can see all the information about the event along with a detailed explanation. We have one available spin, so let's see what reward we'll get. Alright, pressing spin and yes, I received 2.5 SOL. Not bad at all, considering the wheel has rewards ranging from 0.3 SOL up to 5 SOL. I'll press claim reward, and now we see the connection menu. We need to link a wallet. In my case, I'll use Phantom Wallet, but feel free to use whichever wallet you prefer. I still personally recommend Phantom because it's simple and reliable. At this step, the website may again say your wallet is not eligible. Don't panic. As I mentioned earlier, make sure you're using a wallet that has actual activity, or deposit at least $50 to $100 to initialize it. After that, everything should work. We connect. Now we confirm the reward, in my case, 2.5 SOL. Note that we'll also need a small amount of SOL to pay the network fee. Waiting for the transaction to confirm on-chain. Great, we see another confirmation window. We approve it as well so the reward can be fully processed. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time, so be patient. Usually it doesn't take more than a minute. Feel free to skip ahead if you want. And done! I refresh my balance and yes, as you can see, I successfully received 2.5 SOL as my reward for being an active Solana user. I also tried this on one of my older wallets from about a year ago, and that account received 0.5 SOL, which is also a nice bonus. Alright friends, that's it for today. As I mentioned earlier, you'll find all the links in the pinned comment. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to comment below and tell me which reward you received. I'd love to read your comments and reply to them. Good luck everyone, and see you in the next video.